When making a video, using the right camera shot can significantly enhance how your materials are presented. Let's take a look at an example. In this video, the avatar stands in front of the screen, blocking part of the material. A better approach is to use a full screen or picture-in-picture shot when displaying key points so the content is fully visible. So, how do you do that? Let's find out. First, after generating and previewing your video, click the Edit Shots on the right side of the preview window and enter the camera editing page. On the timeline below, select your camera track. Then, from the Shots library on the left, choose either a full screen or picture-in-picture shot and click to apply it. Finally, click 3D Generate again to preview the updated video. Here's another common mistake that most creators make.
Let's take a look at the video.
Next time you be in charge, and then we'll talk about how simple and fun it is.
Seriously, Rick? You'll let me call the shot?
In this example, the avatar is not speaking, but the creator still uses a shot that focuses on the avatar, leaving it frozen throughout the video, which feels kinda awkward. The better approach is to use a full screen from the presentation shot category without presenting the avatar, so the focus stays on the content. Let's take a look at the result.
Let's take a look at the video.
Next time you be in charge, and then we'll talk about how simple and fun it is.
Seriously, Rick? You'll let me call the shot?
Looks much better, right? So remember, when creating videos, choose your camera shots wisely. It makes all the difference.